Hello painting peeps and welcome. It's Kathleen from Coz Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone number 4 here in Fort Myers. We are working on a reused 16 by 16 gallery wrap edge canvas. I love these canvases. Now I painted a couple of my base coat colors on here. I just kind of brushed it on with this little 2-inch varnish brush. We've got some of the light blue in here, which is actually our slop bucket paint, and some of the golden fluids in the turquoise. Our other colors are yummy. We've got Decoart in the 24 karat gold metallic. We have golden fluids in the burnt sienna. Golden fluids in the nickel azo gold. Once again, golden fluids in the turquoise. And Decoart satin enamel, but this is the neutral beige. Sometimes the white of the pure white satin enamel is a little bit too in your face. Working with these warm colors, I figured I'd throw in the warm hue of the neutral beige. I'm going to be doing a traveling ring pour. I'm going to try to leave a good amount of this negative space. We will see. We'll see how things work out. We also have a flow extender if we need it. I'm going to attempt to travel across this slick surface without adding a flow extender, but I need to make sure that my ring pour, as it's moving, the paints don't roll over each other. And if I see that happening, I'm going to try to use my flow extender. So that's pretty much it. Our pouring medium today, each one of these paints got a squirt of GAC 800 that was stirred into the paint. And then I added my pouring medium, which is 50% Floetrol, 50% gold Liquitex pouring medium. And then I needed to thicken up my fluid paint, so I used Owatrol. Owatrol is a European version of our Floetrol, and it is much, much thicker, so it's a really, really good thickening agent. The Decoart 24 karat gold and the satin enamel did not need any of the Owatrol, just my 3 fluid paints because they're more fluid. So what else? I think that's it, guys. Had a great day. Did a little bit of yard work. Got my wedding manicure taken off. Oh my gosh, the amount of maintenance involved of keeping your fingernails looking good. For my wedding, they did, I don't know what it's called, the gel thing, and it sure was pretty, but my fingers didn't feel like my fingers. I couldn't scratch my my arm. It didn't feel right. So had no idea that I had to go back in just to have all of that stuff removed, which is what I did today. No fun. I like looking pretty, but I'm not much of a girly girl when it comes to those things. That's it, guys. I'm gonna pour some paints. I'm gonna get into my happy place, and I'm gonna turn on some music for me and turn on some music that I hope you guys enjoy. Let's get busy.
Friends will come, friends will go. They all seem to change while I'm still the same. 'Cause I just can't let go. And there's no one to blame. It's just the way it is. Like stone, emotionless in this world of stories. Oh, like stone. Lovers come, lovers go, and their hearts seem to change, but mine's still the same. 'Cause I still love them all, and my heart's not to blame. It's just the way it is. Like stone, I'm motionless in this world of stories. Oh, like stone, I'm fixed in a framework that is moving beyond my control. Like stone, I'm motionless in this world of stories. Oh, like stone, I'll be here forever, waiting for your call. Friends will come, friends will go. They all seem to change while I'm still the same. 'Cause I just can't let go, and there's no one to blame. It's just the way it is. Like stone, I'm motionless in this world of stories. Oh, like stone.